So field force management is a web-based platform. The purpose of this platform is the ability for the small companies, they can actually take the service from the field force management, and they can manage their field employee. They can actually do the different type of work, such as many small companies, they do not have the in-house software development team. So but they need the service. So if an electric company, right, they have a 50 electrician and they are providing the electric service, right? And how they manage? They don't have anything now. They all need to do the paper manage, right? But they can actually use the field force. So field force has a user management. Field force has a task service, assign the task. It has a delivery service. So a company has the electrician is one of them, and what is called the plumbing is another of them, delivery is another of them. Whoever is company, they can actually do everything from the field force application. It has platform. It has a 6 microservices, hybrid microservices. Authentication, authorization, as we mentioned. User management. It has a task service. It has a delivery service, and it has a field employee attendance. That's actually the field force, the whole platform. The front end is the React.js, means JavaScript. Back end is actually 2 back end. One is task service is the Python base, and the user management is Node.js base, and the authentication authorization base Python base. And then the front end is, as I said, the HTML, CSS, and the React.js. So this application is using the what is called the Postgres is the database. So this application, this platform is based on the one database instead of the 6 different database, and this is based on the hybrid microservice base, and it has the mobile app, and it's use the Flutter, means you write the code and you build the cross-platform development. And this is to follow the agile scrum, and its deployment is actually on the AWS as well. Okay, we'll be deploying this on the AWS, and it has all the services based on the RESTful API. So that's actually in a nutshell about the FFM.